Good morning, everybody. Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And in today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about how hard is it to become a travel agent. So, now that we are in the future, honestly, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. It has been more easier now than it has ever been, because nowadays with the internet and all the resources that you have at your fingertips, you can become a travel agent pretty easy now. Okay, one of the best things I like about being partnered with a host agency such as who I'm partnered with now, I didn't have to waste a lot of time trying to do a lot of research on my own. I didn't have to try to put all the pieces of the puzzle together as far as the training, what courses do I need to take, which vendors do I need to plug into, how to get certified, which direction to take. See, the good thing about being partnered with a host agency, everything was all up under one umbrella, meaning I didn't have to waste a lot of time, looking for these resources when they was already made available to me in my back office. So nowadays it's pretty easy to become a travel agent. All you have to do is be willing and to learn, invest your time wisely, and follow instructions. My host agency that I've been partnered with has really blessed me and really pointed me in the right direction, because everything is step by step, easy to follow. I didn't have to wait to be certified. As soon as I partnered with them, I was immediately a certified travel agent. So you can join and be instantly certified just because you partnered with the host agency. Okay, then it's up to you to further education, using the tools, the training, the courses, the resources, and things that are made available to you. Okay, so hope this makes sense. So nowadays, is it hard? No, it's easier now than it has ever been. So take advantage of this opportunity, guys, that we are living in nowadays, and since we are in the future. So if you are really looking to become a travel agent and really do it easily, there's a presentation that I want to share with you all. So just click the link below this video to gain more knowledge and more information about this wonderful host agency that you can partner with. Fabulous opportunity. If you feel free to reach out to us, if you have any questions, leave a comment below this video, and don't hesitate. Don't be scared, don't be nervous. Just, hey, get in, learn, and grow. Okay, the more you learn, the more you earn. Okay, so watch that presentation to learn more information about how to become a travel agent. All right, Larry Porter signing off. All right, be blessed and happy marketing. Bye-bye.